साल भर में सबसे प्यारा होता है एक दिन। 100 दुआएं दे रहा दिल तुमको आज के दिन। I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy happy birthday to you. I wish you happy happy birthday, happy birthday, happy happy birthday to you.
For today's video, today is my mom's happy birthday. So I wish you happy birthday to my mom, and I'm going to bake a cake for my mom for her today, because now the areas were locked down, so I can't buy the cake. So I just make it by myself. You want to see the full recipe on YouTube? You can see in my previous video. It's like 1 month ago I just posted on YouTube. So guys, see, this is, I just bought it, this heart pin. It is so cute and hard. You can like make it, and I have another one that was like butterfly, but that was not fitting in my pot. So let's all grease it up. Put it over here. Take some oil over here. Take it and just grease it up. Like I just put it like this over here. So guys, I am a chef wearing this apron. So let's put this. I just waited the batter. It's so quite difficult to take it out. The butter paper is getting sucked out. So guys, now the batter is in the pot, like this mold. See the heart mold, and now let's put some sprinkle inside to get the multi-color cake out when we cut up. Some more and pop in. Done. Now I'm going to just put it. Oh my god, that is really hot. I just put it up this thing. See, it is in a pan. Now put this thing. Tata cake, tata. So guys, I'm going to ready. Now I'm going to show you what I will wear. So let's go. This is my mom's birthday. I just tell you. So guys, the outfit for the birthday is this pinkish frog. It's so beautiful with polka dots, pink polka dots, and there's some buttons and like this. And with this, I'm going to wear inside this t-shirt. That's black to like, it's like winter now, so that will be cool. So I'm going to wear it inside. And the next is legging, black legging with this. Now I'm going to show you my fully outfit. Let's go. So guys, you can see my polka dot dress. It's looking so beautiful with this thing. Now I'm going to do my makeup. I'm going to show you how will I do my makeup kids look. So guys, today is my mom's birthday, so I'm going to do a little party look. So this is the foundation for baby kids foundation. I just bought it yesterday, and yesterday from the Online. So let's push it up and deal it with this foundation. That's so hard to deal with the foundation, but I can. And like polka dotted up on my front, that polka dot. I'm going to do my face on a polka dot. And I'm done with my clear skin foundation. Now I'm going to put this baby face powder. I'm sorry, I'm like fast powder, not it's face powder. So I just bought it from Darazone. All the things I bought it from Darazone, and in the additional of baby face powder, baby foundation, baby mascara, baby blushing, all the things. For kids only. That can kids use it the makeup. Done. I'm going to put the blush, baby blush from the Revlon line. Just putting the pinkish baby color. Done. I'm going to put the mascara. It is too like a baby mascara that didn't hurt your eyes because it's not with makeup chemical. It's for made for kids, so there will be no chemical. This is the highlighter, baby highlighter. To shine, baby shine. Kids will shine all of the day. See, my nose is done. Now lipstick time. This is a baby pink lipstick. You can see because the camera filter is dark, so you can't see this thing. Because my camera is really dark in reddish color, so you can see the baby pink color. You will see like red. It's not the red color. I'm going to show you like this. Done. Done. Lipstick done. And I'm going to show you my jewelry, what I'm going to wear today. So let's move on to the video. So hey guys, today as you all know my mom's birthday. Here is the mom and the birthday girl. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. So guys, these are the things I just made. The cake, first thing for my mom gift, I just made this cake at home. You want to see the recipe, you can see in my previous video. And these 4 gifts from me. This envelope gift and this box and this like a chocolatey box. See? Cute. And this small perfume is from my auntie to my mom. So we will cut the cake. So let's get started. Yo. So guys, this was our dinner time. We just ordered the food from KFC, the leg piece chicken box and burgers and McDonald's too. See, you can see the big McDonald's. If you like my mom's birthday, so please give a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. I love you guys so much. Bye bye. Yeah.